Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna look at some more nouns, my favorite kind of nouns, the food ones. So let's dive in. I hope you have a good appetite because now we're going to learn all about food. We're going to have 50 new food vocabulary words when we're done with this lesson here. We are going to have more noun knowledge regarding the articles, so more knowledge of in and it. And we are going to have practiced pronunciation of these various food nouns that we're going to go through. With all that being said, let's dive in. Remember, write in the comments if I missed something or if you have some specific questions about Danish cuisine. I would gladly like to make a video about that if you're interested. So with that being said, let's go here. Start off healthy here. Et løg, an onion. En gulerod, a carrot, means a yellow root, gul rod. En tomat, a tomato. Et salathoved, a head of salad. Or a iceberg salad. Et æble, an apple. Et hvidløg, garlic. So as you see here, løg means onion and hvidløg means garlic. So it's literally white onion. Very simple to remember. Let's move on here to some more fruits and veggies. It's good for you. En vindrue or en drue means grapes or a grape. En appelsin, an orange. Et jordbær, a strawberry. En broccoli, a broccoli. En agurk, a cucumber. En squash, a zucchini. Et blomkål, a cauliflower. So, and this is not good for you, but let's still learn the vocabulary. En chokolade, a chocolate. En is, or in this case, in soft ice, an ice cream or soft ice. Danes love their soft ice. In summer you can try to get a soft ice with licorice crumble on top. Very delicious, highly recommended, but still it's bad for you, so don't overdo it. En småkage, a cookie. Et stykke kage, a piece of cake. En skål havregryn, a bowl of oatmeal. Et morgenmadsprodukt, a breakfast cereal. Et morgenmadsprodukt. Morgenmad means morning food. So this is how we say breakfast. Morgenmadsprodukt, breakfast cereal. En majskolbe or majs means a corn on the cob or corn. Rød peber, grøn peber, red or green bell pepper. En bønne, a bean, even though you will often hear this in the plural, which would be bønner, beans. En spinat, a spinach. En bøtte yoghurt, a bucket of yogurt, not a full bucket per se, but this is how we in Danish say the containers that you see in the picture, the classic plastic containers from the supermarket. En bøtte yoghurt. En linse or linser, a lentil, lentils. En kylling. Bear in mind here's a spelling mistake, it's en. En kylling, a chicken. En smør, a butter. En kalkun, a turkey. En kartoffel, a potato. En fisk, a fish. Oksekød, svinekød, beef and pork. Kød means meat, and okse means and similar to an ox, any kind of cow-looking creature in okse, and svin means pig. So it's ox meat and pig meat. Beef, pork, oksekød, svinekød. Now let's move on here. Et brød, a bread. Ris, rice. Pasta. En mælk, a milk. En ost, a cheese. Et æg, an egg. Oh, and now for the Danish favorite. En pølse, a sausage. En pølse. The best thing you can find in the Danish classic hot dog. With a nice red pølse in it. You can find those in the sausage wagons around town. If you get by one, highly recommend you to do a real Danish hot dog. It's a cultural experience like no other. So, en pølse, a sausage. Bacon, or flæsk, means bacon. En sandwich, a sandwich. En pizza, a pizza. En burger, a burger. Et kyllinglår, a chicken drumstick. And in salat, a salad. So if it's some mixed vegetables or fruits, nuts, whatever, we just say en salat. So similar to et salat hoved, but if we say hoved, we refer to the whole head of the salad. If you just want a meal salad, you can always order en salat. En suppe, soup. En nød, nødder, a nut, nuts. En olie means an oil. In this case, we have olive oil, so olivenolie, olive oil, written here because you can change the prefix according to what oil you have. So you just say whatever kind of oil plus olie. We also have rapsolie, means rapeseed oil, kokosolie, coconut oil, and so on. Ketchup, sennep, ketchup and mustard. And lastly here, en skinke, a ham. Very good. I hope that you have built up an appetite now to learn more Danish, and you should definitely have increased your vocabulary, advanced noun knowledge, and I can recommend to go back and now practice your pronunciation if you have the time. And then I want to thank you very much for tuning in here. It was a pleasure to talk to you today about the nouns for food. Let me know if you missed anything. Also let me know if you have tasted something Danish that is specifically good, that you just want to recommend to the other people. And without further ado, I want to say see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like the video. It really helps me out. Hej hej. Farvel. Vi ses.